Look up in the sky and you might just see this, and one day you might even be in one. The drone industry is taking off, but there's still a lot we don't know.
We used to shoot drones out of the sky with the F-15.
I think the public perception is really starting to get a lot better.
So over the last several years, the costs of the vehicles have come down to the point where they're more readily available across a lot of platforms. The applications, the use case for drones is really expanded.
People using them in emergency response situations, people using them for business purposes. The questions that I get asked when a random person walks up to us have kind of shifted from hey, what is that thing, to oh, how cool is that?
It's an excitement echoing comments made earlier by Intel's Jason Kimry in an exclusive interview with CRN.
It's a really interesting business opportunity for us as we start to reimagine fireworks shows through things like through the drone shows, but also through the Falcon 8 drones and some of the more enterprise or business use cases. But it's also helping us solve some really interesting challenges around everything from AI to machine learning.
Now, all agree we're only at the beginning of what's to come with drones. Stay with CRN.com for the latest. I'm Diana Blass with CRNtv.